Welcome to my channel.
No way, Jose.
If you're new to my video or channel, welcome. And if you are a subscriber, welcome back. We are doing an install, you guys. Now this wig was a curly wig. I decided to put some highlights in there off camera, and then I permed it. Yep, I bought a perm box, and this is a picture on how it looked. I wanted to see how it looked straight, because I have a friend of mine that perms her curly wigs, and I don't know, maybe it got a little dry and brittle because I had already before that bleached the knots, and then I bleached the knots, and then I bleached it, and then I permed it. So next time, if I decide to, just perm it because it was too much chemicals on the wig. So that's why it's looking a little dry and brittle. In some parts it's straight because I ran out of perm box, only about one perm box instead of two, about one. I don't know. I was just seeing how it was going to look. But anyways, here I am blow drying the wig. I put 2 layers in it because I planned on wearing it for it actually stayed in for a week, and I kept it in for a week. But here I am blow drying it in, and then I am going to not flat iron, but use my hot comb to melt the lace even more. And I'm gonna cut the lace off, and then we're gonna get the styling. And if you like my videos, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. And I'll be back later on. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll see you in a bit.
Pleasant out, Pluto. 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 Pleasant out, Pluto.
Yes, I'm using Erica J's hairspray, or Hold Me Down hairspray. I've had this hairspray so long. It's amazing. I've used it several times on my channel. It's like spritz. It holds good. It doesn't flake. It doesn't harden, and it smells like cologne. Like, it's bomb. I gotta get some more. But that's what I'm using to hold down my baby hair. And as you can see, I did like a messy bun. It's not too bad. It's not too bad. I'm not too, I don't feel too shame about this hairstyle, but I needed to finesse it. This was the only wig I had left, and I'm just showing you how to finesse, your wigs if it's not, up to par. And that is it for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and let me know what video you want me to do next. Love you guys. See you on the next one. Peace out.
Pleasant out, Pluto. Pleasant out.